Hello, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, we will learn about the multiplication of 2, but we need to revise a little bit about the 5 operation we already learned in the previous one. So the first operation I want to revise you is 2 times 1, this is equal to 2. The next you got 2 times 2, 2 times 2 equal to 4. 2 times 3 equal to 6. 2 times 4 equal to 8. And 2 times 5 equal to 10. Okay, so based on this table, you have 5 operations. Now answer my random question. Look at this. If I'm write down 2 times 4, you will answer me the result of this operation. 2 times 4 equal to 8. How about 2 times 3 equal to 6. 2 times 1 equal to 2. 2 times 5 equal to 10. 2 times 2 equal to 4. Okay, so we have practiced a little bit about the first 5 operations. And now a little bit practice more. How about if I have nothing in the slide in here and I need you to answer my question for each of these operations. You got 2 times 4. Write it down in your notebook. 2 times 3 equal to what? What is the result for 2 times 2? What is the result for 2 times 1? And how about 2 times 5 equal to what? How about 2 times 3? How about 2 times 1? How about 2 times 4? And you have 2 times 2. So you got 2 times 5. Okay, so let's do this question together. 2 times 2 times 4, you got 8. 2 times 3, you got 6. How about 2 times 2? You have 4. 2 times 1, you have 2. 2 times 5, you got 10. 2 times 3, you have 6. 2 times 1, you got 2. 2 times 4, you have 8. 2 times 2, you got 4. 2 times 5, you have 10. Okay, that's very easy, right? So one more time, let's read each question in here. How about this one? How can you read this operation? I will got 2 times 2 equal to 4. 2 times 1 equal to 2. 2 times 3 equal to 6. 2 times 4 equal to 8. 2 times 3 equal to 6. 2 times 2 equal to 4. 2 times 1 equal to 2. 2 times 5 equal to 10. And the last, 2 times 5 equal to 10. And okay, we have the last one have to be here. 2 times 4 equal to 8. Okay, so hope you can remember all these 5 questions. And in the next video, we will learn more a little bit harder. See you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.